Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are going to learn that how to install Raspberry Pi operating system in this SD card. First of all, you need to plug in, and after that you need to find the SD card formatter over here. Click on bottom left corner, type SD card formatter, click here, and now run this SD card formatter, click here. After that you will get this interface, and now you need to select the hard disk drive that you want to format. So in this case, click on this PC, and after that you need to find the drives over here. So in my case, I'm having these drives. This one I have to select USB drive I to format. At the bottom bottom left corner, click on taskbar, and now you need to select drive I, click here, drive I, and now format it, click on format. Yes, so it's 14 GB card formatted successfully. Click on OK. Now we have to install the OS Raspberry Pi operating system. So let's start. Now at the bottom left corner, click here, bottom left corner of the window, and after that you need to do type win32 disk win32 disk imager. Click here, and now run this. Now you need to select image file, click on browse. Now select the drive where you have stored Bumble Pi OS. So here is Bumble Pi 2023 Bumble Pi OS. Open this. This is Raspian free Bumble Pi version 2. Click here, and now click on open, and now you need to click on write. Yes, that's how you can start writing the Raspbian operating system on your SD card. Thank you.